This is Danielle at the National Weather Service, and we will just jump right in to this week's weekly weather briefing. So, what we are looking at as far as the 7-day overview is concerned is we've got a real strong cold front bringing a pretty significant temperature change for the weekend. But the best rain chances are actually going to be Monday afternoon into Monday night. There's a second disturbance that's going to move through the area and bring kind of more widespread rainfall during that time frame. And then looking beyond that into Thanksgiving week, could see those below normal temperatures persisting and a little bit of a lean towards above normal rainfall. And we'll talk about all that in just a minute. So just to get it out of the way real quick, no local threats from the tropics. Tropical storm Nicole is forecast to turn northward later tonight and then northeastward tomorrow. So it's going to stay well east of our local area. And the only effect we're going to see from it is just some passing clouds. The real story here is going to be temperature whiplash. So going in from Friday to Saturday, it looks like a pretty solid 15 to 20 degrees cooler on Saturday compared to Friday for most places. So, tomorrow afternoon, we're looking at highs, upper 70s to lower 80s. But then by Saturday morning, that cold front's going to come through. And Saturday afternoon, we're only going to rise into the 60s most places and might not even get out of the 50s for some of those more northern areas. So definitely a big cool down on tap for this weekend. Now ahead of that front, not going to see a whole lot of rain. Once again, it looks like another one of these systems where there's rain to our west and then it kind of breaks up as it gets to the local area. So we're really only forecasting less than a quarter inch of rain for most places. And then a lot of places could see no rain at all, especially if you're in an area that is east of I-55. We're really not confident that those areas are going to see much rain at all. Could just be passing clouds by that point. Behind that front, like I said, big cool down. So the lowest temperatures that we're expecting are going to be Sunday and Monday mornings. And so both mornings, we are forecasting temperatures near or just below freezing for portions of the area. So what you're looking at on this slide is the probability of temperatures dropping below freezing on Sunday morning for that left image, and then on Monday morning for the right image. And you can see those probabilities are basically 50-50 or better. Anywhere where you've got that pale blue, that's the 50% line. So anywhere you've got that pale blue, you're talking, 50% or better chance of dropping below freezing for a brief period of time, Sunday and Monday mornings. And so you can see that the highest chances are generally across southwestern Mississippi and then along the Pearl River basin for both nights. And then more so the Pascagoula River Basin. We start to see some of that cooler air dropping down the Pascagoula River Basin Sunday night into Monday morning as well. So could see a brief freeze both Sunday and Monday morning for portions of the area. Now, the best rain chances in the next 7 days are going to be Monday afternoon into Monday night as another disturbance moves past the area. We're going to see, we've got widespread 1 to 2 inches of rain forecast across the area. I do want to caution you from taking putting too much stock in these exact numbers because the exact amounts and locations that see the heaviest rainfall are going to depend on the track of the low pressure that we expect to develop on the tail end of our cold front and then move across the area. So, just to kind of keep it in mind that there could be some heavier rainfall Monday, but we're still working on those details. It's still a little bit murky this far out. I do want to emphasize, though, that we are not expecting any of this rainfall to overlap with any of the temperatures that are below freezing. So we're not looking at any kind of ice, snow, anything like that. So it will be just rain. It'll be cold rain, but it'll be rain. So no winter impacts with this Monday and Monday night. And then looking ahead to Thanksgiving week, it does look like cooler than normal temperatures will persist. So pretty big chunk of the area, northwest 2/3 roughly, looks like a 50 to 60% chance of below normal temperatures, and then a 40 to 50% chance of below normal temperatures for the southeastern half of the area. There could still be 1 or 2 warmer days mixed in, but on the whole, looking like that below normal trend will continue. As far as precipitation is concerned that week, there's a slight tendency towards above normal rainfall for Thanksgiving week, so about a 33 to 40% chance of above normal rainfall. Takeaway here is that it's not as strong a signal as a temperature trend. So we do have a little bit more confidence that the temperatures will be below normal than the rainfall being above normal. So in summary, we're looking at that blast of colder air for the weekend, 15 to 20 degree cool down between Friday and Saturday. So definitely have those jackets handy. The coldest mornings, Sunday and Monday mornings, when portions of southwest Mississippi and then areas along the Pearl and Pascagoula river basins could see temperatures near or slightly below freezing. The best chances of rain Monday afternoon into Monday night. Specific details still a little murky, so we'll keep y'all in the loop on that. And then Thanksgiving week looks to be trending below normal on temperatures with a slight lean towards above normal rainfall.